Last year, life was re-centered around the home. Overnight, we found ourselves living, learning, and working like never before. And with that came a new appreciation for the home and how it works for us. Today, people want to personalize more than ever. So we continue to invest in design and development, exploring new products that make it easier to give customers exactly what they want. Thoughtful design is in EMTEK's DNA. Inspired by art, architecture, and the world around us, we balance feel and function to create something you'll love to touch every time. EMTEK Select provides a new level of customization for doors and cabinets. And this year, we're adding a variety of styles and textures to help you mix and match even more. Our new straight knurled designs evoke trends in faucetry and lighting. And we're taking inspiration from kitchen and bath to craft distinctive knobs and levers out of beautiful white marble. Thoughtful design also extends to the way we work. We build to order right here in LA, with fast, predictable lead times, so you can personalize every detail and still keep your project on track. From sampling to ordering, our goal is to make customization as easy as off the shelf. So when someone wants something really special, dealers can get it in a fraction of the time, even at the height of disruption. At the end of the day, it's your project, your vision. You shouldn't have to compromise. No matter your style, there's an EMTEK product for you. EMTEK, make it personal.